Upbeat music playing. Hey y'all, welcome back. Your vision is precious, and what you eat plays a major role in keeping your eyes healthy and strong. Today, we're diving into 5 delicious, nutrient-packed recipes that can help supercharge your vision. So if you're ready to protect your eyesight with the power of superfoods, stick around. Did you know that millions of people worldwide suffer from eye-related conditions like macular degeneration, cataracts, and dry eyes? The good news is, by making simple changes to your diet, you can support your vision and lower the risk of these issues. Enter the power of superfoods. These nutrient-rich foods contain powerful vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals that help keep your eyes healthy and strong. What should you be looking for? The most important eye-friendly nutrients include lutein and zeaxanthin from leafy greens and eggs, vitamin A from carrots and sweet potatoes, and vitamin C and E from citrus fruits and nuts. Now let's put these powerhouse nutrients to work with 5 eye-healthy recipes. First up, we have a blueberry chia smoothie. Throw in 1 cup of blueberries, rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, loaded with omega-3s for eye hydration, half a banana for natural sweetness and vitamin A, 1 cup of almond milk, and a teaspoon of honey if you like. Blend these ingredients together, and you've got a delicious, eye-loving smoothie. Next, let's make a spinach and egg scramble. You'll need 2 eggs high in lutein and zeaxanthin for retina health, half a cup of spinach loaded with eye-protecting antioxidants, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Eggs and spinach are the ultimate duo for eye health. The yolks contain lutein, while spinach provides even more of these powerful antioxidants. A simple scramble, yet so effective. Now how about some carrot and sweet potato soup? You'll need 2 large carrots for vitamin A for night vision, 1 medium sweet potato for beta-carotene, half an onion diced, 2 cups of vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon of turmeric for anti-inflammatory benefits, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Carrots and sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This helps maintain sharp vision, especially at night. A warm, comforting bowl of this soup is perfect for eye health. For a fresh treat, let's whip up an avocado and walnut salad. Combine 1 ripe avocado for healthy fats and lutein, a 1/4 cup of walnuts for omega-3s, 1 cup of mixed greens, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, the juice of half a lemon, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Avocados provide lutein, while walnuts are an excellent source of omega-3s. This salad is a simple yet powerful way to keep your eyes healthy. Lastly, let's prepare some citrus and almond energy bites. Mix 1 cup of almonds for vitamin E, half a cup of dates for natural sweetness and fiber, the zest of 1 orange for vitamin C, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Almonds provide vitamin E, which helps slow down age-related vision decline. Paired with vitamin C-rich citrus zest, these energy bites make a great snack for sharp eyes. Of course, food is just one part of the equation. Here are 3 simple lifestyle habits that can further support your eye health. Stay active. Regular exercise improves circulation and reduces eye strain. Manage screen time. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Get regular eye exams. Early detection of vision problems is key to maintaining healthy eyesight. There you have it. 5 delicious, nutrient-packed recipes that can help protect your vision, plus a few simple habits to keep your eyes in top shape. Which recipe are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more wellness tips. See you in the next video. Until then, take care of your eyes and your health. Upbeat music playing.